is Solaris. It's our solar-powered wireless infrared beam system. It uses a 915 megahertz radio, and each tower is also a repeater, so every tower receives and repeats out the information from every tower around it, so it creates a mesh system so we don't lose any alarm information. Okay, it takes at least 2 towers to create a zone, a transmitter and a receiver. You have to break 2 adjacent beams before you get an alarm. So break these 2 beams, these 2 beams. Just one beam won't give you an alarm, so if a bird flies through or animal runs through, you don't get an alarm. All right. We have the capability to set the bottom beam for mono detection in case of a crawling intruder. We also have single and double face towers, so everything you see here will be on the back side as well. And those towers come in 5 foot, 6 foot, 8 foot, and 10 foot configurations. Each cell has a 180 degrees left to right movement for alignment, so we can make corners, 90-degree corners, we can make odd angles, so we can make a full perimeter with this system. The system requires a radio coordinator that receives all the alarm information and sends it to the Maxibus. Since it's solar powered and wireless, there's no trenching or pulling wire required. Just dig a hole, pour some concrete, bolt the tower down, and off you go to the next tower. So it's virtually infrastructure free. There are 3 tools for aligning the beams. We have an optical sight, an integrated sounder, and an LED. Since it is solar powered, we don't use heaters in these towers. We have these anti-condensation caps, and what these do is keep the ice and condensation from forming right in front of the cells. The system also runs on very low current, so if the solar panel gets covered up by leaves or snow or gets blocked by anything, the tower will run for 6 to 8 weeks with no light at all, and then a week before the battery dies, you'll get a low battery alarm. This system does require the use of a Maxibus, which is our head-end unit. It takes all the alarm information and turns it into dry contact relay outputs. The Maxibus also has an event log that stores up to 1,000 events. And the Maxibus has Modbus and API, which enables us to integrate seamlessly with access control systems, VMS systems like Genetec, Milestone, and ExactVision.